10. Mjolnir. This toy is an impressive 1-to-1 full-scale model. It is a 19.75-inch premium role-play hammer from the movie Thor. The hammer has an authentically designed wrist strap and pommel. It has voice-activated light features that reveal the symbol of Odin when commanded. It has premium detail and finishing. The product packaging includes the Mjolnir electric hammer and instructions. It includes 3 1.5-volt AA alkaline batteries, which are not included in the package. Number 9. Iron Man Robot. This Iron Man MK50 robot is now a UBTech legacy product. You can control the robot's motors, lights, and sounds using a mobile device through a mobile app. It can complete augmented reality missions. You can also customize it by uploading your face and recording audio phrases and adding code to the original to get unique action sequences that only your robot can perform. With this, you can become immersed in augmented reality missions to build up your Iron Man MK50 robot's arsenal of nanotech weapons. As you complete different levels, you earn new weapons and PA your armor to take on greater threats. In the missions, you encounter specialized enemy drones inspired by Iron Man's iconic villains, like the Chiari and Emity Maw. They customize the Iron Man MK50 robot by building unique sequences using block-based programming for one-of-a-kind hero moves. You may also custom blocks to code your own scripted sequences into the Iron Man MK50 robot. The best thing is that you can play as Tony Stark and suit up in the iconic MK50 armor to practice your battle skills, or use a mobile device to upload your face and custom audio recording to the Iron Man MK50 robot. In the custom protocol mode, you may use the visual drag-and-drop programming editor to create simple, custom Iron Man scripts without requiring any programming knowledge. Number 8. Captain America Shield. The Captain America Shield is a very interesting collectible. It is heavy enough to give you the feeling and solid enough to push to the limit. All you captains out there would do well to shield yourself with this. It is the perfect Captain America real shield for a decent price. The shield is highly detailed and a 1/1 full-scale prop for more authenticity. The replica of the shield details are more intact. The paint film is hard and wear-resistant. It features precise organization, smooth surface, clear outline, and metallic luster. The color of this shield is similar to that of the American flag, which also symbolizes the identity of Captain America. You don't need to be selected. As long as you are kind and full of courage, you are Captain. This Captain America shield prop is standard with 2 adjustable leather straps for you to wear like Captain America does when he enters the fight for justice. Use the power of a superhero to do the right thing all the time. Obviously, this isn't a toy. If you're looking for a centerpiece to your man cave, nerd den, or your living room, you can't get anything better than this. It's the perfect gift to yourself or to a loved one. Number 7. AntMan Helmet. This impressive helmet is inspired by Ant-Man from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. This premium roleplay helmet comes with light special effects inspired by Ant-Man. It is an electronic helmet with red and blue lights. With a design inspired by PIM Technologies, this collector electronic fan helmet features 6 LEDs for light effects on antenna and jawline. This high-quality helmet has adjustable fit. The premium collectible helmet features adjustable straps for the best fit for most adult head sizes, as well as detailed interior sculpting and design. The iconic character is from the Marvel movies including Ant-Man, Ant-Man and the Wasp, and Captain America Civil War. This premium roleplay helmet will complete any fan costume or collection with the high-quality design expected of the Hasbro Marvel Legends series. It is a must-have collectible for all the Ant-Man fans out there. Number 6. Black Panther Glove Set. This genuine and original set of Black Panther gloves are authentic and from the Disney Store. The package includes a set of 2 Black Panther roleplay gloves. It is very much similar to the gloves from the movie and has sound effects. You may press a button at the wrist to hear battle sounds. Apart from that, there is also a motion activation option. It has the real movie sound effects and can be worn by adults. Anyone who loves Black Panther would love to have these. Number 5. Endgame Iron Man Gauntlet. Iron Man's gauntlet upgrading to fit in the infantry stones was one of the best scenes in the Endgame movie. The intricately detailed design of this electronically articulated power gauntlet is inspired by the Avengers Endgame movie and part of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. It gives a pulsating Infinity Stone glow light effect too. This electronic fist appears to be brimming with tremendous power. When activated, the power gauntlet's 6 Infinity Stones pulsate with glowing light. Pushing the Infinity Stone at the center of the power gauntlet activates sound effects inspired by the Avengers Endgame movie. The gauntlet's highly articulated fingers can be locked in a clenched fist position, allowing the item to be displayed in an appropriately powerful pose. Number 4. AntMan Arc Reactor. The Arc Reactor is one of the most interesting things in the Marvel movies. This product package includes a chassis, display box, reactor LED, bracket, USB cable, one-piece keychain. It does not need to be assembled either. The reactor is made of polymer benzene and alloy. The support material is stainless steel and the base material is ABS. The display box material is acrylic plexiglass. The display frame size is 15 by 15 by 19 centimeters or 6 by 6 by 7.48 inches. The reactor diameter including the bracket is about 12 centimeters or 4.72 inches. The height of the reactor including the bracket base is about 14 centimeters or 5.51 inches. The LED and other diameter is about 8 centimeters. For installation, all you need to do is put the LED light into the display rack, put the black wire on the LED light into the bracket, and connect it with the USB data cable, put in the display box, and assembly is completed, and a perfect surprise presents in front of you. The new LED light is illuminated by vibration induction. The blue light turns on when you tap it. It turns into a breathing light mode twice and turns off the light 3 times. If you are an Iron Man fan, it would be a good collectible. Whether it's for friends or loved ones, it will be a great gift. 3. Ant-Man Mask and Costume. Dressing up as your favorite character is a fun thing to do. If Ant-Man is your favorite character, you need this costume. The costume and mask is imported and has a pull-on closure. It is of high quality and hand wash is recommended. The costume is an officially licensed Marvel Avengers Endgame adult costume. While purchasing, look for Marvel and Ruby's trademark on label and packaging to help assure you've received authentic, safety-tested items. The deluxe Ant-Man padded costume jumpsuit comes with attached boot tops and nail and mask included. Costumes are not sized the same as apparel, so you may have to review the Ruby's adult size chart for more accurate fittings. Number 2. Super Web Slinger. Everyone who has watched Spider-Man wanted to shoot webs from their hands at least once. And that can be made possible with this interesting gadget. It shoots water or Spidey shot web fluid. The glove size is universal and is meant to fit all, and it features Spider-Man design. Imagine some fun web-slinging Spidey battles with your friends. Just irresistible, isn't it? The package includes Super Web Slinger, Spidey shot web fluid, refillable water cartridge, and glove. Get it now and let the fun begin. Number 1. Lego Infinity Gauntlet. This stunning build and display Lego Marvel Infinity Gauntlet captures forever the captivating style of Marvel Studios' Avengers Infinity War and Avengers Endgame movie. This authentic, golden Lego brick recreation of the iconic Infinity Gauntlet includes colorful Infinity Stones and a sturdy stand featuring a descriptive tablet. This 590-piece model gives adult Marvel fans the opportunity to immerse themselves in creative construction and recreate one of the comic book culture's most recognizable and most devastating weapons. Measuring over 12.5 inches high, 5 inches wide and 4 inches deep, this fascinating model provides an attractive conversation piece, whether displayed in your home or workplace. And subscribe to our channel for more.